tracking, always alerting. This is Storm Team 8.
Well, it's been very quiet this weekend. The biggest thing that we've been tracking are the temperatures. They've been hitting 80 almost every day, and we are going to see a repeat of that tomorrow. So temperatures today very near that 80-degree mark. Grand Rapids 78, even our shoreline today up into the upper 70s, unlike yesterday when it was just a little bit cooler because we had a little bit of a lake breeze move on in. And weather-wise, we've been very dry. If we look at our radar, you can see we don't have any showers that we're tracking, and we've been dry for a solid week. So I wanted to see how that impacted Michigan in whole. And if we look at the past 2 weeks, we're about an inch or two below average. But if we put that in context for the last month, we're right around average. So even though we've had plentiful sunshine, we're not really drying ourselves out too much. And we do have a week of sunshine for the most part in store. We have two storm systems that we're watching. The first one is going to be on Monday. The second one is going to be on Thursday. Monday, not going to be that big of a deal, maybe a handful of showers north of I-96. The one on Thursday, though, is going to bring rain, and it's also going to drop temperatures in a real way. So you're going to want to see my 8-day forecast. First, if you're heading out to the lake tomorrow, really nice conditions. Looks like a low rip current risk. Your air temperature is going to be really close to your water temperature, so it's going to feel nice and warm if you're brave enough to get into the water. Our Port Sheldon buoy cam, very quiet waters here. Again, you can see that very narrow spread between air temperature and water temperature. And our wave height right now, less than a half a foot. Again, those conditions are going to last again tomorrow because we have high pressure in place. High pressure makes it very difficult for storm systems to form, but high pressure is moving out, and that's going to make way for a little bit of a clipper system to roll on in very late Monday into Tuesday. Notice, doesn't drop a lot of rain. In fact, we only have about a 20% chance of showers here, but it does drop our temperatures. Some locations on Tuesday might stay in the 60s, which is actually normal for this time of year. Then we climb a little bit again as a second high pressure rolls on in, and that's short-lived as well. We get that bigger system to barge on through Thursday into Friday. This does look like it should drop a good half an inch of rain and then hopefully start to clear out Saturday into Sunday. We will be watching that timing closely. The one thing that we are certain of, that second system is definitely going to bring some cooler air. So we've been kind of spoiled by the 80s. We finally got our shot of summer. I know summer was very brief this year, so it felt, you know. So we've got this nice span of sunshine to make up for it, but fall is coming back in a real way.
Yeah, always evident when you have 80 and 44 on the same 8-day
I know.
forecast.
That's West Michigan for
yes,
you, though.
Yes, it is. Thanks, Ellen. Well,